Hey guys, it is a Monday here in Washington D.C. and it's in the 60s, which is really, really nice. We got a lot of activity today. We got Joe Biden going to an event. He's got two events today. I've got a bunch of fighter jets coming over Arlington Cemetery for a general who passed away. And the truckers are coming into D.C. today. They're coming into the city. So let's see if we can do all that, plus our normal hike, and get some lunch. I'm thinking burgers today. All right, so guys, we're at the Air Force Memorial, which overlooks the Pentagon, Washington, and Arlington Cemetery. There's a funeral today for a general from the Air Force, and I think we've got T-38 jets coming out of line. Yeah, just went over the Capitol. There it is. There's a VH-3, one of the Nighthawks, making their way down the channel. Ketchup, burgers. Here you can see the DC police already getting set up for the convoy's arrival, coming into the city. I guess I'm gonna block that road. Truckers have entered D.C. We are down here by the Spy Museum. This is the entrance to the District of Columbia, and the truckers have just entered the city. This is Interstate 395. They came over the 14th Street Bridge. The bridge that you see, though, right ahead you, that's the 12th Street exit. The exit to go into 12th Street that goes under the National Mall. The traffic was heavy just before they arrived, but when they first arrived, they were still moving. Now, on the other hand, they are not moving at all. Now they're kind of stuck. Nobody's moving very well right now. Tour group doesn't want to even wait. They're just like, Looks like our trucks are arriving. You see them, guys? They were like $4.50 a gallon. Yeah, they finally got in the left lane. That's good. I think this might be that Sassy guy. The Kansas guy? They're honking at me in the blonde one. Because there's this big truck coming. Is that his? That big one right there? I'm not sure. Yeah, it's got the cross on the front of the car. I think that's him. The last truck? Oh. This looks like his truck right here. There's his cowboy hat right there. Yeah, that's Sasnak, guys. That white truck that just went by said Sasnak on the side. That was him. Yep, that was him. Yep, he just passed me. You can just tell him he just passed me. So here you can see, guys, the police have actually closed the ramp. All these cars are backed up because they need to get off at this exit. And it's just making, and then they've closed the next ramp, which is causing a similar delay. I mean, look at how the traffic goes on this side, guys. Yeah, the Capitol is just up. You see that smokestack there? That's the power plant for the U.S. Capitol. Oh, they just like went around the cop. The cop didn't want them to go there. They just did it. They just told the cop to get effed. Oh man, this is like ugly. A bit crazy. DC police blocked off pretty much every exit into the city. So if you're on the freeway, your only choice was, well, to go all the way across town, which is what 90% of the vehicles do not want to do, and they're all backed up, yelling at the cops and stuff, and that just made for about a 1-hour nightmare, which should have taken 10 minutes. Oh well, c'est la vie, life in the big city. We'll see what happens tomorrow. This, by the way, is the Spy Museum. It is a private museum dedicated to espionage and intelligence. The bookstore here is pretty good. In fact, I think some real spies probably go there to buy books. Anyway, if you come to DC, it costs money. This is one of the few museums that does actually cost money, but it's kind of fun. So just down there, we should see the Marine One aircraft. There it is, a VH-3 on a mission. And then down here is a train, just an empty train. So down here, this is police headquarters is just back there. There's a snowplow barricade thing, but also up over there, there is a big tow truck for semis, just in case it's needed. So yeah, all over downtown, there are these big tow trucks, pre-positioned, heavy-duty towing, just in case they need to tow some of the trucks that come down here. Yes. How you doing? Hot dog, Diet Coke, Diet Pepsi, whatever. Trigger warning.
Everybody getting a hot dog?
Trigger. Ketchup. Ketchup. Ketchup, good. Hey guys, greetings from the grounds of the Washington Monument. were on a bike because, well, it's in the mid 60s. That's now 18 degrees Celsius, 15 degrees Celsius, something like that. It's warmer. I don't have my big coat on today. That feels nice. We do, however, have absolute crazy traffic. This is down by the Jefferson Memorial. This is a huge backup of cars down here. The reason the freeway is backed up. The truckers' convoy just went on the freeway, and the truckers, well, there weren't that many vehicles that caused a problem. The problem is the police. You see, the police, they closed every single exit in D.C. There was no way to get off the freeway into downtown D.C. So all the cars that normally drive on that road to get to work or get to home, to get to school, they had to get shunted over to the other side of the Anacostia River, figure out a way to come back. It caused a nightmare of traffic. Just a nightmare. So there's going to be ramifications about this. So right over here is the intersection of 14th and Independence. This is one of the first intersections when you come off the 14th Street Bridge from the freeway, and you'll see just the other side of this sign, mobile barricades, snowplows, ready to be deployed should any trucker try to come through. There goes the mobile barricade crew, snowplow under police escort. So they're ready for any trucks that might come in. They're going to deploy, block off access to some major road, say to the White House or the Congress, with snowplows. All right, out on the National Mall. People taking pictures with little babies, scavenger hunts, frisbee, ultimate frisbee games. Looks like the Senate's in session today. I see the flag up over the Senate side. Can't see the House flag from this position, but we'll go on up a bit and we'll figure out if the House is around. There's a motorcycle gang of nerds. So this is the Smithsonian Castle, the administrative head of the Smithsonian. Sort of like the museum visitor center for all the other museums. That's natural history over there. I tell you guys, this is like the most people we've seen on the mall in a long time. Even summer. I guess it's spring break, so there's a lot of people out and about. All right, let's go figure out what all these blue flags are stacked up out here by the Capitol. Young people are dying of colorectal cancer. So I guess these flags symbolize those who have been lost to colorectal cancer. $27,000 flags. Yeah, there's 27,000 blue flags down here by the Indian Museum. Yeah, that's the Willard Hotel. That might be where the event is tonight. We're not really sure yet. There is a Democratic fundraiser. And yeah, there's police cars there. That would be a sign they're going to be at the Willard. It does look like there's something going to be at the Willard. But not sure just yet what it's going to be. We'll go around back and see if they've got the tent set up. The tents where the president will come in or any other VIP to avoid being seen by the general. So we got a snowplow arriving, multiple snowplows, tent already being set up. Safe bet they're going to be at the Willard tonight. So guys, we're in front of the White House and there's tourists. Something we haven't seen much of lately. Quite a few though today. Guess it's spring break.